Hey, it's me. It's just Josh. Mike's not here. That's what he does, right? But anyway, second round.
Round 2. Fight.
All right, we're going to do jump in. I got this killer prehistoric bittersweet deck. It's like I play a land and then
A few moments later.
they're dead. So yeah, it's pretty good. Pretty good. All right, let's see what my opening hand is. Oh my gosh, look.
It's Pikachu!
No, Minstrosity, not Pikachu. All right, come on. I'm good with this. I'm just waiting on him to make his decision. He's taking forever. Okay, yeah. Keep 7. I don't know what this level is. There's a jump rope. Let's see. What is this? Yeah. All right, so first we'll play this thing that comes in tapped. And I want, oh, I can't play anything.
A few moments later.
What's he gonna play? I wish I had some counter spells so I could be like,
It's Pikachu!
I mean,
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
yep. Oh, a 2/2. Let's see. How about a 3/1 that when he dies, I get a food token?
How about new?
Somebody just laughed. What is this? Ugh.
Oh, that's nasty.
Yeah. Let's see. What does he got? Celebration Grand gets +1/+1, has trample as long as 2 or more non-land permanents enter the battlefield under your control this turn. Jeez. What the hell? Huh? How did he kill him? Oh, whatever. Whatever.
How about new?
Fuck you, buddy.
Okay, cool. Now it's my turn.
Nah, let's do this. And what's he got? A 4/2. This is a 3/2. Yeah, sure. Because I can use her to get rid of those food tokens and make him lose life. What do we got here?
Oh, that's nasty.
Yep. Oh, this is rats? Oh, fuck you.
How about new?
All right, let's see. All right, Death Touch. This dude. Oh, man. This sucks. Get rid of this motherfucker right here. Peace. All right, he's got 3 cards. What is this? Oh my God, the rats. It's magic. Okay. No, I'm not gonna block. I'll take the 1. What is this? Create a wicked roll token for Shizzle Dizzle. Right there. I like that wicked roll right there. land for turn? Yeah. All right. No tax. When he tries to attack, I'm gonna be like,
How about no?
what's going on? If being able to keep, you may sacrifice another creature. If you do, put some count on the creature exile. Blah 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 blah. What is this? Artifact? No. So I could sacrifice this thrashing Brontodon and destroy this artifact equipment. But I have a bunch of cards in this deck that'll just straight out kill this dude. So I could also double block and kill him. We're just blocked with the death. I don't have any. I should have left 1 mana open for this. But didn't happen. What is this? Uh-oh. Hold up. Oh, come on. There you go. You want to kill it? I'll kill it. Destroy your fucking enchantment. Now what? Your shit just fizzles. And I still got Death Touch. Well, I can't give it Death Touch. But anyway. What now? Jeez. Nope, not blocking. It's all right, I can just gain that life back. Like this right here. Gain 3. And what is this? 3 to play. I can get rid of this chick. If I gain 3 more. Nah, I'm just going to go ahead and do it. Go ahead and do it. Or I could create another food token and then do it next turn. Nah. Do it right now. Right there. All right. No attacks. Oh, I still didn't leave 2 open to give him Death Touch. Where is that? Yeah, it's not looking good. Not looking good. I don't know, guys. It's going to be a rough one. And he's drawing cards. Come on. God. Test another target creature. I got lifelink here. That. Create a young hero roll token attached to target creature. I don't know what is a young hero thingamajig. Whatever. Gnawing Crescendo. Creatures you control get +2/+0 until end of turn. Hey! Okay. That sucks. For me. Pass. Go ahead. Kill me. Asshole. Go ahead. Yeah. Go ahead. Why can't she block? Huh? Okay. Okay, there we go. Gotta do it. no cards. There's nothing you can do. He can sack this dude. Why did? Oh, okay. Yep. Mm-hmm. Pass. All right, so I'm good. I'm gonna gain 3 life now. I'm gonna take 3 damage, so I'm just gonna stay at 10. And then I'm gonna gain 3 on the next turn, be back up to 13. Each opponent loses 1 life. Whatever. He loses 1 life. Yeah. All right, what do I got? Oh yeah, that's all right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This will use 5 out of 6. This will use 3 of the 6. But this will get something to my hand. A permanent card from my graveyard. Let's see. -3. We'll get rid of this dude. I think that's what I got to do. No, I'm going to get her out. Gain some life. Yep. I got to play the long game. Because this deck only wins either mid-game or long game. It's just kill their dudes till they run out of cards, gain life, and then bash them in the face. I mean, that's what I've learned from using this deck. And this is a jump-in deck. I chose dinosaurs and something else. It's black-green. Dinosaurs and like graveyard interaction. I didn't like it at first, but it's pretty freaking amazing. You create food tokens and then you can sack the food tokens to either gain life or do damage to them. There's death touch, there's mana ramp, big baddies that have cycling. It's pretty good. Pretty good. See, I'll just pick his little dudes off. He can't block me next turn. I'll get this big dude out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'll get something back to my hand. Target permanent card from your graveyard to your hand and discover 4. See, that's really good. Yeah, I want that one. And I should get something from this discover. Yeah, okay. So I'm getting more cards back. I don't have anything to bargain. Yeah. Okay. Choose up to 2 creature cards. I'll get this dude and her for sure. And then I can still cast my Wicked Roll. Oh, no, sorry. This is a food token, but still. It's really good. All right. And see, he has no cards. He's got one little rat with like a hero token on it. I'm not super worried about it. So I'm going to go ahead and start busting him in the face. No. See what he got. Thought you had me, didn't you? Now you got lands. Oh, he's sacking lands to draw cards. Oh, I got that too. I forgot. Okay, what's going on? He's getting. Hold up. Whenever he attacks, if his toughness is 3 or less. Okay, so he's maxed out now. Sucks for you. All right, so I'm going to gain some life. I'm going to kill this little rat, and then we're going to win the game. I mean, that's it. You ready? And he's going to be pissed as hell that I came back after all that shit and beat him. So here we go. It's just, we're home free now. Nothing to do but sit back and relax. Listen to some music. Yep. He thought he was going to win, but
A few moments later.
bust you in the face. Okay. Okay, let's play this. I'll show him a dinosaur card. Gain 3 life. Hey, look at this shit you got to worry about here in a minute. And then we'll play this in case he gets out some crazy enchantment or something so I can sack it later. 3, he's a 2. Let's just attack with our menace just to be safe. You never know. Don't want to lose her. She's got lifelink. He might quit here in a minute. He's only got one card. Oh, drew a land. No, I'm not going to take that 2 damage. I'm going to freaking kill your dude. Are you kidding me? Now watch. He's probably going to concede right here. I'll gain a life. Play my big back. And then he'll concede. Watch. Yeah. See? I love this deck, man. It's crazy. All right, y'all ready? You ready for this?
Round 2. Fight.
Next match. What? Mike's laughing at me. Yep, we're going at it again. Dinosaurs in the Graveyard. I don't remember what it's actually called. Name of the deck. What else? So anyway, if somebody was watching that match, I would say that was
Oh, that's nasty.
yeah, pretty nasty. All right, so I can cycle this dude for a forest. Oh, he already gave up. Look at that. He just saw Liliana and was like, "Oh hell no, I can't do this," and just quit. So let's see.
Round 2.
3.
Fight.
Prehistoric Bittersweet. Fear of Failed Tests. Was that like a high school card? That's a high school nightmare, right? Okay. All right, let's do one more. I want to at least play 2 games. This is going to be a longer video, but whatever. Bow, bow, bow. I want y'all to see this prehistoric bittersweet failure of tests. What?
It's Pikachu!
Oh, okay. Oh, is this the same guy? Let's see. I got a mana ramper. I got a food token generator, another mana ramper, and this chick is amazing because you can exile cards from either graveyard, and if they were dinosaurs, you can cast them later using, I think it's any mana. If you cast a spell this way, that creature enters with a finality. Okay, anyway, it's good. It's good. So turn 1, dinosaur mana ramper. Turn 2, regular mana ramper. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Oh my God. I'm so sick of this stupid deck. It's like everybody chose this red stuff. This is actually the 3rd jump in deck that I've had. The first one I thought was going to be good. It was like rats and card draw, black and blue. It sucked. After that, I went like red green. I can't remember the combo. And then finally I ended up with this green black prehistoric bittersweet. There's some really good decks out there. I'm surprised how good some of these jump in decks are. It's all right. Let's see. I got to get rid of one of these guys before he starts something up. Let's get rid of this dude. There we go. I'm gonna bust him in the face.
Round 2. Fight.
How about new?
All right. So anyway, like y'all saw, all I got to do is last like 7-8 turns, and I'm good to go. That's pretty much how it goes, unless I get screwed here. Because I got a 5-drop and a 7-drop. I don't know. It should be fine. Because technically I'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mana on turn 3. Turn 4. What is this? Oh, it's another. Okay, so what I got to do is bring this dude out, put a counter on him, get him to fight. At the beginning of combat, yeah, we got to get rid of that dude. For sure. Oh, I should have played her. Damn it. Oh, well, I'll get a food token out of it. Whatever. Ugh.
A few moments later.
Sorry.
How about new?
Yep. Come on, man. Oh. Okay. Hell yeah. Fine with me. Sack your dudes all day. Fine with me. I still don't understand how he died. Sacrifice. All right. So anyway, next turn I'm gonna play this. Hopefully I'll get another land. I might have to cycle this dude, which is fine because I'm gonna pull him back out of the graveyard later. What he's doing right now, he's looking at cards. Oh, there it is. That's what I needed. That can be used to cast dinosaurs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I need 7. So let's play this chick. Okay. Now, as long as she's out, like right now, I can exile dinosaurs. I'm looking for dinosaurs. I can exile anything, but I'm looking for dinosaurs. Let me see. Exile target card from a graveyard. You may cast dinosaur creature spells from among cards you own exiled with this girl as long as she's out. Yeah. Okay. I'm not going to cycle him just yet because I think I can play it next turn. And he's going to hit me for 3 or maybe 4 or 5, even 6. I don't know. It doesn't really matter. Because I'm going to gain 3 back. And somewhere in here, this is only a 40-card deck. There's only 29 cards left in here. So the chances of me getting the cards that I need are very high. That's what's really cool about this jump in. It's extremely predictable. When you play in standard or modern or something, 60 cards, it's predictable, but it takes a lot longer to loop through the deck. So I know what's coming up, almost guaranteed. I'm going to guess one of the next cards that's going to come up is either going to be the girl that makes food tokens. What is going on? Tap up 2 target creatures, put a son of a bitch. That sucks. Do I want to guarantee land? I'll do this. Okay, whatever. Trying to avoid the stun counters. Anyway, I bet the next card is going to be either the dude that lets me destroy enchantments, or the chick that creates the bread tokens, or one of the things that is a 1-drop exiled, and then you get to play it again as a creature. Or this dinosaur that gains me 3 life. That's good. Hey, look what I got in my hand. All right. Gained my 3 life back that I lost last turn. He's down to 1 card, so everything's looking really good for us right now. Looking good, looking good. It's making me recast stuff. Wasting my turns. Wasting my turns. All right, what do we got now? Okay, little tricky thing there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Still, let's see. When he enters, if it was bargained, I can get rid of this and still gain 3 life. That's pretty good. I think I'm gonna do that. So bargain means you have to sacrifice an artifact or enchantment, I believe. And in this case, he loses 3 life. I gain 3 life. And what I sacrificed was a food token. So I was going to gain 3 life either way. So I'm good to go. So let's see what he does. He's got 2 cards. All the mana in the world. Is that a cricket? Oh, no.
It's Pikachu!
Okay. Hello. Let's remind him. Your go. Oh, yay. He's still alive, though. He just wasted that spell. Okay. 3 damage to me. Yeah, see? He gave up. He knew. He knew it was... I'm telling you, this deck is just... It's really good. All right, that's going to be it. Thanks for watching. If you made it this far, check out unforgivableapp.com for some really cool tattoo-inspired clothing. Also, check out Wilmington Tattoo and Piercing here in Wilmington, North Carolina. My name's Josh. See y'all next time.
Round 2.
Peace.
Fight!